Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest and best solo money methods in GTA 5 Online that you can do right now to make millions. These methods are quick, effective, and perfect for players who want to grind without depending on others. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any weekly GTA 5 Online updates. Let's get started. Our first money method is the Rockstar Featured Series, currently showing up in Legion Square as a pink circle on the map. Head over to the pink icon and press left D-pad to join. Alternatively, open the pause menu, go to Online, then Jobs, then Play Job, and then click on Rockstar Created, and then open Stunt Races, and look for Unknown Races. By the way, most of races gave good payment, and it all also depends on how many players are in the lobby. More players means better rewards when you finish the race in good position. These races are super fun and randomized. Your vehicle changes every time you pass a question mark checkpoint. What makes this game mode unique is the chaos factor. The vehicle swap forces you to adapt quickly, making each lap exciting and unpredictable. You might go from a sports car to a dump truck or even a jet ski. Mastering transitions between vehicles can give you an edge over your opponents. Payout tip: the more players you have and the more laps you race, the more money you earn. I made around $20,000 with just 4 players. With 15 plus players and longer races, you can make $100,000 to $150,000 easily. Goal: try to stay in the top 3 for max payout, but even lower positions earn decent cash this week. Also, if you're looking for adrenaline-filled chaos, this is the best choice for fun and profit. Next up, we have the weekly time trial, Up Chiliad, with a part time of 1 minute 10 seconds. This time trial starts at the base of Mount Chiliad and ends near the peak. It's tricky because of the terrain and elevation changes, but very rewarding. Recommended vehicle: Bati 801, non-HSW. Route: start the time trial and follow the path shown on screen. Pro tip: try a few test runs before starting to perfect your route. Key tips for success: the beginning of the trial has some nasty rocks and tree roots that can throw your bike. Go full throttle only when you're confident in the terrain. Near the end, make sure you're following the exact angle up the hill. Veering off can cost you the win. Reward: you earn $100,000 in just about 1 minute if completed successfully. It's one of the fastest and most reliable solo payouts in the game. If you're efficient, you can repeat these weekly time trials every reset and build your cash stack quickly. For the third method, let's talk about CEO Special Cargo Missions, a great passive and active income method. Head to your CEO office and log into your SecuroServe terminal. Start sourcing crates through the Special Cargo option. Complete the sourcing mission, solo friendly. Once you have a few crates, sell them through the Sell Cargo mission. Do these missions during 2x or 3x bonus weeks for best returns. Bonus tip: if you complete 3 missions this week, Rockstar gives you a $100,000 bonus as part of the weekly challenge. This is a great way to build up money in the background while also doing other methods. And that's it for this week's Solo Money Guide. With these 3 money methods, you can have fun, make money fast, and stay completely solo while doing it. If you enjoyed this guide, please drop a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and leave a comment below on which method worked best for you. See you in the next video, and happy grinding!